a revolutionary beast has emerged, rewriting the rules of trucking history. The world's first Scania-powered hybrid Peterbilt 359, a fusion of timeless American muscle and cutting-edge European engineering has been sculpted into a masterpiece that defies convention. The unmatched legacy of Peterbilt's long-haul dominance is now amplified with Scania's groundbreaking hybrid technology, paving the way for a sustainable yet ferocious trucking future. The Peterbilt 359, an undisputed symbol of American trucking from 1967 to 1987, was revered for its unmistakable long hood design and unparalleled durability. Originally equipped with robust diesel engines from Caterpillar, Cummins, or Detroit Diesel, this machine was built to command the open road. However, the hybrid transformation has elevated it beyond expectations. The heart of this powerhouse is now a meticulously engineered Scania hybrid system, blending electric efficiency with diesel performance. This combination not only reduces emissions, but also delivers a surge of torque, ensuring that power and efficiency coexist in perfect harmony. Inside, a stunning fusion of retro styling and modern innovation has been executed to perfection. The classic dashboard, adorned with vintage gauges and authentic chrome detailing, preserves the spirit of the original Peterbilt 359. Yet, behind the timeless aesthetics lies a world of modern comfort and technology. A fully integrated infotainment system, state-of-the-art navigation, and climate control redefine the driving experience. The ergonomic seats, meticulously redesigned for enhanced lumbar support, provide unparalleled comfort, making long-haul journeys smoother and more enjoyable. The road presence of this hybrid titan is simply breathtaking. The deep guttural growl of the Scania diesel engine harmonizes with the near-silent hum of electric power, creating an experience that is both commanding and futuristic. The striking exterior, with its polished chrome grille, LED-enhanced headlights, and aerodynamic refinements, ensures that this machine is impossible to ignore. Every detail has been meticulously crafted to maintain the brute force of the Peterbilt 359. The cost of such an extraordinary transformation is reflective of its exclusivity, since this is a custom-built, one-of-a-kind hybrid truck. Pricing depends on individual customization, engine tuning, and technological enhancements. This creation is more than just a truck. It is a statement, a testament to what happens when heritage meets innovation. The first of its kind, Scania-powered hybrid Peterbilt 359 represents the dawn of a new era. It is a living legend, rolling on highways with an electrifying presence that challenges the norms of trucking history. Be part of this revolutionary journey, where classics are reborn with a vision for the future. Subscribe, engage, and join our community as we bring you the most thrilling automotive marvels redefining the roads.